Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode of Total Overkill, we're going to make a homopolar motor out of a piece of copper wire, a neodymium magnet, a 1/4-20 nut, and a AA battery. Here's a little drawing to show how we'll do it. Okay, so here we're forming the copper wire after we've stripped the insulation off of it. And of course the boys and I wanted to make it into a heart for Mom. We'll form a coil at the bottom to encircle the magnet. Okay, let's see how we did. All right, we call that a success. Here's another view of it on a little bit clearer background. All right, I hope you enjoyed that, everybody. Now go make one of your own. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more great videos, and let me know what you're working on in the comments below.